Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Dollar Tree DIY. You guys, if you have any graduates and you need a last minute gift, holy smokes, cheap and easy, grab yourself some of these little containers. They're plastic and they are for cookies or I don't know, gumballs, candy. So they're plastic, but they're cute. And then grab yourself some of the Dollar Tree stickers. These actually already say congrats on them, best day ever, hooray, whatever you'd like. The other side has the same exact thing, but this is going to be quick. This is going to be easy. And listen, all you have to do, you already know, is put those stickers on there, and then while you're there, grab some of the Dollar Tree candy. Grab your graduate their favorite candy. I like to hold them that way, so I'm going to keep this being the straight there. And I'm going to use the hooray. So I'm just going to cut out the one that I need. Well, I need bigger scissors. I'm going to cut out the hooray. And I'm going to cut out the best day ever. And depending on what fits, you could use celebrate. However you're going to use it. Now you can do just the words. Or you could you know, use the letters and arrange them however you'd like. And then get yourself some transfer tape if you want. If you don't have transfer tape, maybe you have some of this press and seal, or clear shelf liner from the Dollar Tree also works. So I'm going to take off the top part of this sticker here, because this is a sticker. This should all be sticker, yes, I believe so. Yes. Well, what did I do with that? So take off that top part, leaving only those stickers with the letters. Now this is kind of like what you would do with a Cricut, right? So if any of you know, then you would have known what transfer tape is, because this is what we do when we're making items with the Cricut. So I'm also going to take out this little part here, the O from hooray, the other O from hooray, holding the other stickers still in place. I'm going to take out that R and the A. And I found that little gold piece. There it is. I'm just going to save that for later. And then you can take your transfer tape or your press and seal. I'm going to grab a little piece of this. You could also use, you know what I'm going to do? If you use press and seal or transfer tape, you're just going to take it over the top. But you might not have that. So you might have a Post-it note instead. So I don't have a Post-it note, but I do have Post-it tape. So if it were a larger Post-it note, I have this little guy, right? and the sticky part of the Post-it is right here. Just stick it right on here. And that's what I'm gonna do. So if this was the top, I'm gonna do the bottom part. And that might help a little bit. And that keeps everything nice and straight. I keep getting ahead of myself. So now when I take this off, it's right there. So again, I'm lining this up nice and straight. So how I know that I want it, I'm gonna put my hooray right there. And then I can peel my tape off, or your transfer tape, whatever you'd like. And look at that. Now you've got a nice little guy that says hooray, and you can have that on both sides if you'd like. I'm gonna do the same for the best day ever, but I think I want that to be on the top. So I'm gonna have it say best day and then ever. So if you do not have the transfer tape, that is okay. You can just take it off and put it on. So we'll go poke out these little guys here. We're gonna hope it's their best day ever, right? Just line it up on that circle. And you're gonna do each of these. You could use your hand, just your fingers with this. I'm just using this because I'm extra, right? And then once it's all done, you just fill it up with a little trinket for them. It can be tissue paper with maybe a pair of earrings or something that you got for them. It could be, like I said, just candy. It could be some candy and maybe some dollar bills stuck in there. Maybe you could fill it with change. That's fun. People never realize how much change actually is. My son loves getting a Pringles can full of change for Christmas. He always has. He always will. He got one last Christmas. I'm not joking. He was emotional about it because he thought now that he had grandkids that his day was over. And so when he got that, my parents gave it to him. He just was so emotional about it. So I thought that was super cute. That was never anything I did for him. It was always something my parents did for him. And so that's not my thing, but I still took the idea away, right? So now we've got these little things sticking all over the place. And then I'm going to put the V here, because I want this to be centered up as best as possible. So I'm going to then do the middle. So whenever you want something nice and lined up, you do the middle ones first. So as I'm doing this, I'm like, hey, my goddaughter, she does not watch my YouTubes because she's young and they don't watch YouTube. The younger ones don't watch the YouTube. So I didn't do this on TikTok because they do watch the TikTok. So there we go, best day ever. And then it says hooray on there. I am gonna get that. What did I do with it? There it went again. Oh, there it is. Okay. I lost it again. Where is that little booger? Okay. Did anybody see where it went? That is so funny. I'm gonna find it in like days. All right, it disappeared. But I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna just take one of these hearts here. And put that right on here. And I just think that is adorable. And then I will do the same thing because it does come with two. I'll do the hooray on this side as well. And then a nice little candy dish. Look at how cute that is. All right, and that's $2, you guys. That's it. And then whatever you fill with it. So I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Today